Welcome to your mini farm in Pine Ridge Estates. This is 3202 North Buckhorn Drive, and this is an equestrian community and a 3-acre equestrian property. So I'm so happy that you've come to see this house today. I'm going to walk you around, tell you a bit about it, and we'll end up, last but not least, most importantly, in the horse barn and taking a look at the pastures. So right off the bat, you see a really nice open concept, beautiful entryway, and then it opens up into your living room and a nice wood-burning fireplace. It has a salt basket in there right now, which just gives it a nice glow. There's sliders you'll see all around that go out to that back deck. And one of the things, so I don't forget to mention, is this house has brand new furniture for staging that can also be purchased. So if you like what you see, there is pricing for the furniture, and you could have that as well. There are some things that are going to be included with the purchase of this house. So for instance, the fish tank that's there, that's a plasma wall-mounted fish tank, that will stay. And the rolling ladder is a nice accessory that gives you easy access to get up and take care of the fish. So the floor plan of this house, it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We've got an office here to the left. It can be a den, flex room, or office space, whatever works best for you. So nice, cozy area, beautiful window overlooking the front yard. You can see we've got the formal dining there. This is another living area to the right, or it could be dining over there as well if you wanted to have kind of a breakfast nook and a dining area separate. The kitchen has been updated with stone countertops, new sink and faucets, newer appliances, stainless steel, very nicely appointed kitchen, as you can see. Lots of good space. So we'll head past the dining room now and down the hall to the guest bedrooms and the guest bathroom. So the first bedroom here on the right, beautiful window view there of the arena and the shed. So this house comes with a lot of extras. You're probably noticing that it's all new flooring, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the whole house. So no combination of floors or anything like that. And this is a nice grade vinyl flooring, waterproof. Guest bath has a tub shower combo, 1 sink, and then a nice linen closet here. One of the things I think is really neat, you probably noticed, is we walked through the bedroom to the guest bath. So it is a ensuite type of setup for that second guest bedroom. So that makes for really nice comfort when you have guests that are staying overnight, or if it's for family and you have children that live with you, you've got one that's got the easiest access to the bathroom. Here is our primary suite. So you can see this is great space in this bedroom. To the right side of the bedroom, next to the sliders that go out to the porch, we have an awesome cedar-lined walk-in closet. Absolutely great space. Tons of storage in here, even some little storage nooks there for things like shoes or purses or whatever extras you might have. Built-in ironing board, so you're all set to go. And then 2 more closets. So you are not lacking closets in this home. These are additional clothing closets, again, cedar-lined. So really nice setup and a lot more hanging space if you need more. The bathroom is beautifully appointed, 2 sinks, medicine cabinet. We've got the extra cabinetry there above the toilet and an air tub. So this is not your typical jacuzzi tub. This is an air tub. It does not blow water through those jets. It blows air. So it's a beautiful spa experience. Nice shower there. Again, everything in this bathroom has been remodeled. And look at this deep linen closet in addition to the other 3 closets that you have on the primary suite. Tons of storage. Now you may be noticing out on the porch there is a hot tub that can stay. So you have easy access to your hot tub from your primary suite. So here is the exciting bonus. We're going to walk through this extra living area space, and we've got this beautiful barn door. And on the other side of this barn door is the game room. Now this game room has a pool table that can stay, a dartboard that will stay with the house, TV already mounted, you've got karaoke set up, beautiful bar for entertaining, and lots of expansive countertop space here. Tons of storage behind the bar, and you notice the shelving has, the floating shelves have lighting, really pretty mood lighting on each shelf. So as you put your bottles or whatever you're going to have on those shelves, they light up beautifully. One of the things I like to mention is that this house does have the tilt windows. So they're double pane, so energy efficient, and tilt so that you can clean them very easily. Nice pantry space there right off of the kitchen, and then of course the laundry room. Newer washer and dryer, and some extra space for folding, shelving again for storing things, brand new water heater, and a nice laundry tub there. So all of the major items on this house have been updated. The roof was 2021, HVAC 2021. This garage was added in 2021. This is a 1,050 square foot, 3-car, truly a 4-car garage. And it is just amazing space. We've got some built-in cabinets over here so that you can have some extra storage. The attic space is stand up with subfloor, so much room to store things in that attic. And if you look above here, it's an extra large attic opening with the pull down stairs. So when you need to get the big things like the Christmas tree or whatever else that's bulky into that attic, it's much easier to do than what you typically find with the standard attic access. So I'm going to take you now to the barn. So we've got 2 service doors on this garage because it's so big. So whichever one's more convenient for what you're doing. This one walks here to the side behind the house, and we've got a couple of planter boxes here. So if you want to do gardening, you're kind of set up there where you can use those and grow some fresh vegetables and whatever else you like. Right here we have a 30 by 40 parking pad. It is asphalt paved. It's perfect for a horse trailer or even a motorhome if you have one. Nice shed. This is a very good sized roomy shed. I'll show you. Peek inside. Still got quite a bit in it, but you can see what good space you have. You do have electric and lights in this shed, so it is good to go. It's also up on concrete blocks, so it's not sitting on the ground, which gives it, maintains it a lot better. So we're walking back to the barn now, and you can see we've got Ranger there saying hello. This, to my right, is the riding ring. So you see some jumps set up there. It is 100 by 200 approximately. And we've got a back pasture here. This pasture is a little over an acre, and it was just freshly seeded. So this grass that you see has just newly been established as of June of this year, and it was done with a comprehensive pasture plan that included soil testing, proper fertilization, and then a maintenance program to really get some lush grass and get it established well. So I will be passing that on to the new owner of the property so you can continue that maintenance plan. Another thing is we've been using fly predators here. So you're going to notice that the flies are very controlled, and that's something I would also encourage you to continue to do. We have Allie, our gray mare, and Ranger, our gelding, both thoroughbreds, and they are happy as horses can be in this nice barn. You can see there's plenty of storage here to my right, and the way the barn's set up, we have 2 stalls that have the sliding doors like you see Allie in, and then we have a 3rd stall that is open so that it can be a run in and run out. Ranger really appreciates that, so we let him enjoy that. We've got some metal stairs here that take you up to some extra loft storage up above the feed and tack room. And then this is our feed and tack room. So this is a nice space that we have an air conditioner in here. This room has been completely encased in stucco. So the walls are essentially concrete, thin concrete walls, and in essence, and they have that metal lathing behind the stucco, so that we make sure no rodents or critters get in and mess with the feed or the tack. So nice storage in here, hooks for your bridles and your helmets, just really well put together. Plenty of space on this property for all of the things that you may want to do. We've got these manure bins over here, which are great for keeping your pasture management under control and keeping that manure cleaned up so that you are preventing flies as much as possible. And then I'm going to take you back inside because I neglected to show you the automatic screens for this house. And those are pretty cool. You can see there's a lot of extra parking space for the tractor, for boat trailers, anything like that that you may have that you want to be able to park on the property. This is a community that allows for all of those luxuries of being able to park things on site, not having a lot of rules about what you can and can't do, but you want to keep your property looking nice and just in good shape so that we uphold the community value and appeal. This is a very unique community for our area because it's the only true equestrian community. It has some amazing amenities if you are a horse person. There's 27 miles of riding trails. The equestrian center, the main community center, has abundance of rings, riding rings. There's a western ring, there's a dressage ring, there's a hunt course full of jumps to work with, and there's a huge main riding ring that is lit. And then there's also a round pen. So just a lot out there if you are interested in doing some of that training stuff. These panoramic screens that you see are the electronic screens, so you have a remote that allows you to take them up, down. You can go just a little bit. If you have a little dog, you can just do that and let the dog out, or you can put them all the way up. The remote's programmable, so if you have certain settings you like at different times of the day, you can program a button to just open it all up or keep it partially down. And you can see it gives a bit of a sun barrier as well. And then nice deck here that you can use for anything extra. We've got a little fire pit set up and chairs here. But notice on the other side of the screen, from a distance, because it is tinted, you can't see through that screen. So you've got good privacy. Not that there's anyone out here that's going to see you anyway, but you do have good privacy there. So we've got a fountain that can stay, and that's a nice little fenced-in yard for a small dog if you need it. But otherwise, very private, very natural. It's kind of a blank canvas to do with what you will, and if you want to add a pool, you've got plenty of space to do that. Notice also that both of these sliders pocket all the way back on this porch. So that is lovely to be able to hide them completely so that when you entertain, people can just go in and out. Nice flow. So this house is ready for you if it seems like a good fit, and I'd love to talk to you more about it. My team and I are ready to assist you, tell you about the neighborhood, give you more information on the property. You can reach us at 352-794-1426. We're with eXp Realty, and our team is RES Luxury Group, where we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is always our guarantee. Look forward to speaking to you. Have a great day.